topic is environmental pollution. The environmental pollution is a contamination of physical and biological component of the earth and atmosphere to such extent that normal environment processes are adversely affected. But what is the reason for why our environment is polluted? So the reason is that the pollution. And what is the pollution? Pollution is a harmful substance that contaminate the environment is called pollution. And now we will discuss about the types of environmental pollution. There are three major types of environmental pollutions are air pollution, water pollution and soil pollution. So first we will discuss about the air pollution. Atmosphere is our life blanket of Earth. It is therefore urgent to know about the atmosphere and the ways in which it is polluted. And the major causes of air pollution are industries, automobile and domestic fuels, smokes, dust and mist. And now we will discuss about the various effects of air pollution. Then the various effects are human health, global warming, ozone depletion, and acid rain. These are the some various measurable effects which we are causes due to our air pollution. And the next, we will discuss about the how to avoid air pollution. So, how to avoid air pollution? There are some points which we will discuss. And the first one is use natural gas and avoid LPG. Do not burst crackers. Use less amount of fuels for vehicles. Use gas stoves, etc. And from these point of view, we will save our environment from the major attack. No, now the next type of pollution is the water pollution, and we know that our water is too much contaminated. But why? So then we will discuss about the water pollution. So any physical, just like temperature, oxygen, yeah, chemical, just like mercuries, biological, any diseases, sewage, change to water that adverse effects is used by alive beings. Now, what are the causes of water pollution? About 40% of these deaths worldwide are caused due to water pollution. And the second main point is water pollution is caused by organic and inorganic industrial waste and effluents discharged in rivers. But major effects of water pollution are what we how humans are affected from these water pollution. And the some of the example are diseases like cholera, malaria, typhoid. Now, these diseases are due to the effect of water pollution. If our water is contaminated, we will suffer from these diseases. And the next point is how to avoid water pollution. How to avoid water pollution. So the points are rivers should not be used for washing clothes or bathing animals. Harvesting of rainwater to meet water requirement. Rivers must be contaminated. And the last one pollution we will discuss about the soil pollution. Then the soil pollution can make land unfit for growing crops by altering soil pH, nutrient level and microbial activities. This can be reduce the soil fertility and productivity and hinder plant growth and agriculture yields. So students, there are various pollution factors, but we will discuss today about major three pollution factors. So later on, we will discuss the another factors. Thank you and have a nice day.